guys, let's see how to protect your table data from the end user mistakes. You can see how I did this in another video of mine which shows up on the screen right now. If you wanna check that out, just click and see it. So this is the greatest table of all times I just made, and we have 4 columns that user can enter data, and all the other columns are calculated. For showing this better, we will apply a conditional formatting. Which is gonna sound like this. Is formula, let's say, the first cell of the table, and then just remove the absolute reference. I like this color right here. Okay, and for this one, just apply it for the entire table. Apply. Okay, it's not working. Let's see why. Not sure why, but this is happening sometimes. This should be B7 cell without absolute reference. Okay, apply again. Okay. Now you can see which are calculated columns and which are not. More than that, some user can introduce some values around here, and this will alterate your data and make the table not working anymore. For stop them making mistakes like that, we just select the columns that we know they should not enter any kind of data in. Select data, go to data validation list, and then for source, just hit some random cell which you know is not gonna change anytime soon. Hit OK, and now if your Excel shows you an error checking, just go to File, Options, Formulas, and just uncheck this enable background error checkings and hit OK. More than that, you can apply data validation for these columns too. So this could be, let's say, text length. It's equal to, we know any social security number for Romanian citizens are 13-digit length. Hit OK, and if somebody just enters something, they cannot make it happen. This data column should have a validation also. Date should be between 1 1 1900. This is the minimum date supported by Excel software. And for end date, let us say it's 12/31 300, let's say. Okay, now this is validated also, and this should have a validation. This is a whole number between 1 and, let's say, a maximum of 3000 employees. Okay, so let's see if it's working now. Just delete this row. Let's say we have this one, it's not working. Retry then. This is not working. 12/28/2022. Let's put some random names for CNP. Just copy this one, and everything looks just fine. If we wanna change something here, we cannot make it happen.